What if I told you that there are places on the Earth so secret that Google has been forced to blur them out completely? From alien research facilities to underground cities, these are the 10 most mysterious locations that powerful governments don't want you to see from space. Welcome back to Mysteries of Time, where we uncover the secrets hidden in plain sight. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the most heavily censored locations on Google Earth. While we can view almost any place on our planet in stunning detail, certain locations remain mysteriously blurred, pixelated, or completely blocked. What are these places hiding, and why don't they want us to see them? Let's count down the 10 most intriguing locations that governments around the world have demanded remain hidden from public view. Location number 10, Severnaya Zemlya, Russia, the nuclear wasteland. Our countdown begins in the remote Russian Arctic, where Google Earth shows nothing but suspicious pixelation over what should be barren ice fields. Severnaya Zemlya was used by the Soviet Union as a nuclear testing ground and weapons storage facility during the Cold War. Satellite images from the 1990s revealed massive underground installations, mysterious geometric patterns carved into the ice, and structures that don't appear on any official maps. The area remains so heavily contaminated that even decades after the Soviet collapse, Russia insists on keeping it completely hidden from satellite view. What's still happening in this frozen wasteland that requires such extreme secrecy? Location number 9, Volkel Air Base, Netherlands, Europe's nuclear secret. The Netherlands officially claims to have no nuclear weapons, but Google Earth's heavy censorship of Volkel Air Base tells a different story. This seemingly ordinary Dutch military installation is completely blurred out, with entire sections pixelated beyond recognition. Intelligence reports suggest Volkel houses American B-61 nuclear bombs as part of NATO's nuclear sharing program. Weapons that officially don't exist in Dutch territory. The level of censorship applied to this base is so extreme that even surrounding civilian areas are partially obscured, suggesting the presence of something far more significant than routine military operations. Location number 8, Babylon, Iraq, archaeological censorship. One of the most puzzling cases of Google Earth censorship covers the ancient city of Babylon in Iraq. While you might expect this UNESCO World Heritage Site to be proudly displayed, large sections remain mysteriously blurred or low resolution, particularly around Saddam Hussein's former palace complex. Conspiracy theorists suggest the censorship hides evidence of looted artifacts, secret archaeological discoveries, or even damage from controversial military operations. More intriguingly, some researchers believe the blurred areas conceal ongoing excavations of sites that might contain evidence challenging established historical narratives about early human civilization. Location number 7, Ramstein Air Base, Germany, the Drone Command Center. Ramstein Air Base in Germany serves as the central hub for American drone operations across Africa and the Middle East, but you'd never know it from Google Earth's heavily censored images. The base's most sensitive areas are completely obscured, hiding what intelligence experts believe is one of the world's most advanced drone command facilities. From this German location, operators control lethal drone missions thousands of miles away via satellite links. The extreme level of censorship suggests capabilities and operations that extend far beyond what's publicly acknowledged, possibly including advanced AI. Heishi controlled weapons systems and surveillance networks that span multiple continents. Location number 6, Pine Gap, Australia, America's most secret foreign base. Deep in the Australian outback lies Pine Gap, officially described as a joint defense facility. Google Earth's treatment of this location reveals its true importance. Massive areas are completely blacked out or shown in impossibly low resolution, hiding what may be America's most critical intelligence installation outside US territory. Pine Gap is believed to control spy satellites, intercept global communications, and coordinate military operations across the Pacific region. Local Aboriginal groups report strange lights, unusual aircraft, and electromagnetic disturbances that suggest technologies far more advanced than publicly acknowledged. The facility's true capabilities remain so classified that even Australian politicians are denied access to most areas. Location number 5. HAARP Research Station, Alaska. Weather control or worse. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program in Alaska claims to study the ionosphere, but Google Earth's censorship of key areas suggests something more sinister. While some antenna arrays are visible, critical sections of the facility remain blurred, particularly around what appear to be the most powerful transmission equipment. HAARP's official research into radio wave propagation has sparked theories about weather modification, earthquake generation, and even mind control capabilities. The facility's ability to heat sections of the ionosphere could theoretically influence weather patterns, disrupt communications, or create atmospheric phenomena that could be weaponized. Why censor a supposedly benign research station, unless it's capable of far more than atmospheric studies? Location number 4. Diego Garcia, British Indian Ocean Territory, the island that doesn't exist. Diego Garcia is one of the most strategically important military bases in the world, yet Google Earth treats it as if it barely exists. The island shows up in extremely low resolution, with key areas completely obscured, hiding what intelligence sources describe as a black site for both military operations and intelligence activities. This remote British territory serves as a launch point for operations across the Middle East and Asia, but its most controversial aspects remain hidden. Reports suggest the island houses not just military assets, but also classified detention facilities and weapon systems that don't officially exist. The level of censorship suggests capabilities that extend far beyond conventional military operations. Location number 3. Area 6, Nevada. The other Area 51. Everyone knows about Area 51, but Google Earth censorship of nearby Area 6 suggests it might be hiding even bigger secrets. This section of the Nevada test site is so heavily censored that entire square miles appear as blank spaces or impossibly low-resolution imagery. Area 6 was officially used for underground nuclear testing, but the continuing extreme censorship decades after testing ended suggests ongoing activities. Intelligence analysts believe the facility now houses advanced weapons research, possibly including exotic propulsion systems, directed energy weapons, or technologies reverse engineered from unknown sources. Why maintain such extreme secrecy around a supposedly defunct testing site? Location number 2. Dulce Base, New Mexico, the underground city. The most controversial entry on our list is Dulce Base in New Mexico, a facility that officially doesn't exist, but shows suspicious censorship patterns on Google Earth. The mesa, where the base is allegedly located, appears in strangely low resolution with geometric anomalies that suggest artificial structures beneath the surface. According to whistleblower accounts, Dulce Base is a massive underground facility housing joint human-alien research projects, advanced genetic experiments, and technologies beyond current human capabilities. While these claims sound like science fiction, the consistent censorship of this remote location combined with reports of unusual aircraft and electromagnetic anomalies in the area, keeps conspiracy theorists convinced that something extraordinary is hidden beneath the New Mexico desert. Location number 1. North Korea's Punggye-ri nuclear test site. The hidden apocalypse. Our number 1 most censored location reveals the terrifying reality of modern nuclear warfare. Punggye-ri nuclear test site in North Korea is so heavily censored on Google Earth that entire mountain ranges appear blurred or blocked out completely. This isn't just about hiding current activities. It's about concealing the true extent of North Korea's nuclear capabilities. Satellite analysis from other sources suggests the facility is far larger and more advanced than publicly acknowledged, with underground installations extending for miles through mountain tunnels. The extreme level of censorship indicates not just nuclear weapons development, but potentially hydrogen bomb manufacturing, intercontinental ballistic missile testing, and weapons systems that could threaten global stability. Most disturbing of all, seismic analysis suggests the facility remains active despite international sanctions and supposed diplomatic agreements. The fact that Google Earth continues to heavily censor this location years after publicized nuclear tests suggests ongoing development of weapons systems that world governments prefer to keep hidden from public awareness. Recent geological surveys indicate the entire mountain has been hollowed out, creating what may be the world's largest underground weapons facility. The censorship isn't just about hiding North Korea's capabilities. It's about preventing global panic over the true scale of the nuclear threat that continues to develop in complete secrecy. Which of these censored locations do you find most intriguing? Do you think governments have legitimate security reasons for hiding these places? Or are they concealing something far more significant? Share your theories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries that reveal what they don't want us to know. Until next time, remember, sometimes the most important secrets are hidden in plain sight.